So, try naman natin ng Uno Digital Savings Bank, which is included sa mga bangko ng GSave ng GCash. So, ang interest rate niya ay 4.25% and it's credited daily at the end of the date, and no, at least zero maintaining balance. So, kahit wala siyang ilagay, guys, hindi siya magko-close or magiging inactive. So, doon sa GSave, so, apat yan. Uno Maybank, BPI, and CIMB. So, since meron na akong Uno Digital Bank and nag-download din ako separately ng Uno Digital Savings Bank sa akin isang phone, so mag-top up lang tayo. So, halimbawa, gusto ko lang mag-top up ng 5,000. Okay, then continue lang yan. So, next. So, yan na, guys. So, ganoon lang, guys. Nabawas lang yan sa aking GCash. So, you know, meron akong GSave, CIMB noon. Kaya lang, for some reasons, they are still, I don't know, they keep closing my bank account, you know, dun sa CIMB. So, hindi ko alam bakit. Lagi nilang kino-close. So, dun lang ako sa Uno Digital Savings Bank. May BPI na ako, guys, eh. Wala rin ako may bank. So, yun lang, guys.